In today's video, I'm going to teach you quick guide, set product prices in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set the price your customers pay, how to show a clear sale badge, and how to track your profit behind the scenes. Start by opening your products list and selecting any item you want to sell. Once you're in the product details, scroll until you find the pricing box. This section is the control center for what shoppers see on your storefront and how your store calculates your profit on the back end. The first field you'll work with is price. This is the actual amount a customer will pay today for the product. Type in your selling price, like $29.99. You don't need to add a currency symbol. Shopify handles that automatically based on your store's settings. If your brand favors $0.99 or $0.95 endings, enter prices consistently to create a clean, professional look. And remember, depending on your tax configuration, taxes may be added at checkout or included in your displayed price, so set amounts with your local requirements in mind. To highlight a discount and display a sale badge, use the Compare at Price field. Enter the original higher price here, something like $39.99, then keep your lower selling price in the price field. On your storefront, Shopify will cross out the higher number and show your current price next to it, making the savings obvious at a glance. This is one of the most effective ways to draw attention to a deal without changing your product description or imagery. Keep the Compare at Price honest and consistent with your past or intended pricing, so customers trust the discount they see. There's also an optional but important field, cost per item. Customers will never see this. It's purely for your records and reporting. Enter what it cost you to acquire or produce the product. When this is filled in, Shopify can calculate your profit per order and show you margins in reports, which helps you make smarter decisions about promotions and pricing. Consider including typical product costs here, like what you pay your supplier or your production expense, so your profit data reflects reality. That's it for the essentials. Go to your products list, open an item, and in the pricing box, set your price, add a Compare at Price for sales, and fill in cost per item to track your profit. Prices set, profits tracked, and your storefront is ready for its first customer. As you learn what resonates with your audience, revisit these fields to fine-tune your strategy and keep your offers clear, compelling, and profitable.